today, apparently we have a dead bird I just found while I was running around. And apparently it has been caught by something, I guess. I don't know. But it's pretty freaking scary. Oh god, it touched my leg. So I flipped it. Okay. Oh man, that sucks. Oh crap. Oh. Aw. It's so sad. Aw. Aw. Oh well. I hope this bird will get deteriorated, maybe decomposed, hope something like that. Cause I know flies would be landing on it. Apparently, and I've seen a couple, like 2 or 3. But either way, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, see y'all next time.